The Raindrop Family and their friends. It is a lovely sunny day, and the friends are out for a walk in the countryside. A dark cloud comes, and it begins to rain. A breeze blows the raindrops, and the friends hear someone crying. A little raindrop is being blown away. Immediately, Crazy Horse throws his rope and saves the little raindrop. A rainbow appears in the sky, and the Raindrop family come to thank the friends for saving their little raindrop. The raindrops give the friends a rainbow headband each as a thank you. The raindrops tell the friends they must continue on their journey and will see them again on the next rainy day. This is their journey. It is called the water cycle. Hope you see a rainbow today.